Welcome to our channel, where we provide valuable insights and tips to help you achieve financial success. In this video, we will discuss practical strategies to save money fast and evaluate your spending habits. Set realistic financial goals, create a budget, reduce unnecessary expenses, find ways to earn extra cash, use coupons or discounts, and avoid credit card debt. By breaking down these steps into manageable parts, you'll be on your way to saving money and building a solid financial foundation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on personal finance and wealth building. Evaluate your spending habits. To save money fast, it's crucial to examine where and how you're currently spending your money. Evaluating your spending habits is akin to going on a diet. You need to track what you're eating to know what changes to make. Start by reviewing your bank statements and receipts to identify areas where you may be overspending. Look for recurring expenses, discretionary purchases, and any unnecessary subscriptions or services. By understanding your spending patterns, you can make informed decisions on where to cut back and prioritize your financial goals. Consider using budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your expenses and gain a clear picture of your financial habits. Regularly reassess your spending to ensure you stay on track towards your savings targets. Set realistic financial goals. Much like setting a fitness goal to lose 10 pounds in a month, setting specific and realistic financial goals is essential for successful saving. Identify what you want to achieve financially, whether it's building an emergency fund, saving for a down payment, or paying off debt. Set a specific goal, such as saving $500 by the end of the month, to give yourself a target to work towards. Break down your larger goal into smaller milestones to make it more manageable and track your progress. Consider your income, expenses, and current financial situation when setting your goals. Remember, realistic goals help you pace yourself and avoid becoming overwhelmed. Celebrate each milestone you achieve to stay motivated and maintain your financial discipline. Create a budget. Creating a budget is a fundamental step in managing your finances effectively. Start by determining your monthly income after taxes. Allocate a portion of your income to cover necessary expenses such as rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and debt payments. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of your essential expenses before budgeting for discretionary spending. Set aside a reasonable amount for non-essential items like entertainment, dining out, and clothing. Think of creating a budget as planning your meals or meal prepping. It ensures you're not overspending and helps you make conscious spending choices. Stick to your budget as closely as possible. Regularly review and update your budget to adapt to any changes in your income or expenses. Reduce unnecessary expenses. After creating a budget, you may identify areas where you're overspending or indulging in unnecessary expenses. Take a closer look at your discretionary spending and find ways to cut back. Canceling subscriptions or services you don't need, reducing dining out frequency, or finding more affordable alternatives are effective ways to trim your expenses. Consider the difference between needs and wants and prioritize your spending accordingly. This is similar to opting for healthy, low-calorie meals instead of high-calorie, indulgent foods. Be mindful of your spending choices and question whether each purchase aligns with your financial goals. By consciously reducing unnecessary expenses, you can free up more money to put towards savings and reach your financial goals faster. Find ways to earn extra cash. In today's gig economy, there are numerous opportunities to supplement your income and boost your savings. One effective strategy is to explore app-based gigs such as Uber, DoorDash, or TaskRabbit. These platforms allow you to leverage your skills and time to earn extra money on your own schedule. Whether it's driving passengers, delivering food, or completing odd jobs, these income streams can serve as valuable side hustles or part-time jobs. Consider your strengths and interests when selecting a gig that aligns with your lifestyle. Not only can you earn extra cash, but you may also gain valuable skills and expand your professional network. Additionally, consider leveraging your assets to generate additional income. If you have a spare room or property, renting it out on platforms like Airbnb can provide a steady stream of extra cash. This can be particularly lucrative if you live in a desirable location or during peak travel seasons. Use coupons or discounts. When it comes to saving money, every dollar counts. One effective way to stretch your budget is by taking advantage of coupons, discounts. Before making any purchase, search for available coupons online or in newspapers. Many retailers offer exclusive discounts that can significantly reduce your expenses. Sign up for loyalty programs and newsletters to receive notifications about special deals and offers. Don't overlook the benefits of your local library. Libraries are not just for books. They often provide a wealth of resources, including free access to movies, music, e-books, and educational programs. By utilizing your library, you can enjoy entertainment and expand your knowledge without spending a dime. Borrowing books instead of purchasing them can save you money in the long run. Avoid credit card debt. Credit cards can be convenient tools when used responsibly, but they can also lead to financial trouble if not managed wisely. To build wealth and maintain financial stability, it's crucial to avoid falling into credit card debt. Treat your credit card as a means of payment, not a source of additional funds. Only charge what you can afford to pay off in full each month to avoid accumulating interest charges. Create a budget and allocate a specific amount for credit card payments. By setting limits on your credit card spending and tracking your expenses, you can ensure that you stay within your means. Be mindful of impulse purchases and think twice before swiping your card. Consider using cash or debit cards for smaller purchases to maintain better control over your spending. By implementing these strategies and breaking down the steps into smaller, manageable parts, you can adapt them to your financial situation and witness significant savings over time. Remember, financial stability and wealth building require discipline, patience, and consistent effort. With dedication and smart financial choices, you'll be well on your way to achieving long-term financial success. Congratulations! You have learned valuable strategies to evaluate your spending habits, set realistic financial goals, create a budget, reduce unnecessary expenses, find ways to earn extra cash, use coupons or discounts, and avoid credit card debt. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on personal finance. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications and stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.